I'm here today to share with you this gel manicure nail polish set. I'm so excited because I'm somebody who I like to go get my nails done, but with it being 40, maybe 50, plus a tip each time I go, I figured I would get this set to save a lot of time and a lot of money. So this set was very reasonably priced. It pays for itself in about one time going to the salon, and not to mention all the time it takes to make appointments and drive time, things like that. I'm so excited to have this kit. It comes with multiple tools, so everything you may need, it comes right away. So I was a little bit hesitant and nervous to think if I could do it or not, if I would make it just as nice, and I'm proud to say that it was easy, super convenient to do. This user manual has been so helpful, so it goes by each tool and lets you know what to do, what to use it for. This was a really helpful guide. It comes with the toe separators, so you don't smudge any nail polish, all the tools to clean your cuticles, to trim your nails, to brush away anything like that. It comes with some great design, so you're able to design your nails, whether it's stickers, I'll show you nice and close there, some French tip, which is always a crowd favorite. I love that it comes with the nail polish removers. So all you do is put these on and then put the cap on, so gel is a little bit easier to come off. It comes with these files, which are so handy. And then this file that has multiple softening, so you can shine your nails, buff your nails, anything like that. It also comes with this cuticle oil, so it makes your hands feel nice and smooth around your nail. It comes with this drying lamp, so I love how fast and convenient this is. And it comes with multiple colors. So each color for your nail polish has the sticker on top, so you're able to see quickly what color you may use. I'm a fan of natural and pinks, and it comes with multiple ones of those. But it also comes with a lot of fun colors, whether you're doing your toes, going on vacation. I could see a bridal party loving this, you know, just having a nice girl spa time. It also comes with a top coat, a base coat, and if you want a matte top finish, so kind of that matte look, this comes with it also. I'm going to show you quick. I first like to start by pushing back my cuticles and things like that. So I did most of those already, just to save a little bit of time, but I just want to show you how easy it is. I simply start with the base coat, because that's what you'll want to start with first. These bottles are very durable, nice duty there. So I'll simply do my base coat here. Just do a couple of fingers to make it quick. You can simply put your hands under the nails, or hands under your dryer right here. And I love that automatically your light turns on, so you don't have to worry about hitting buttons if your fingernails are wet here. And I'm gonna do, it's called A05, so you're able to see the sticker right on top there on what color you may want to use. So I have my nail polish here. I'm just gonna simply go over it. This set comes with 32 nail polishes and the 3 coats, so like the top coat, the base coat, and the matte finish. So very good selection, multiple colors. I love how it looks. It makes it look so pretty. This is like a pinkish color, one of my favorites. Super easy to go on. It glides on very nice, having that base coat underneath. I love how easy it is to use the light. My hand under there. Now I have the choice if I'd want to use the top coat or the matte coat. I'm just going to use the top coat today. I prefer matte coats for like my grays and whites, but it doesn't matter what color you use it for. So I'm just going to go on with my top coat here, nice and smooth. Put my final fingers in there to dry. I love the feel that it feels like I'm at the salon still. All right, now it's done there. I just want to show you, I only did these 2 fingers, but you can tell that it's a gel salon look, but at home results. So The results are fantastic. I've used this before. They last a really long time if you're washing dishes and things like that. The durability on this product is very great. I love all the colors, and I think that everybody should have this. It'll save them so much time and money. I just want to do a quick summary of all the colors that you get with this kit. There's so many to choose from. So if you're doing a girls' spa night, everything, there's just a color for everybody to use.